Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your member ID for a Provident Fund transfer. We'll cover what a MID is, why it's essential for your transfer, and guide you through the straightforward process of obtaining it. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to secure your MID and use it to ensure a hassle-free transfer of your Provident Fund. Let's get started. Your member ID, or MID, is a crucial alphanumeric code that uniquely identifies your Provident Fund account with a specific employer. Think of it as your personal key for that particular PF contribution period. It helps link your past employment records to your current Provident Fund details, ensuring all your contributions are accurately consolidated. This identifier is absolutely necessary for any intercompany PF transfer. Obtaining your MID is usually quite simple. First, check your old salary slips or Provident Fund statements from your previous employer. The MID is often printed there. If you can't find it, the quickest way is to contact your former employer's Human Resources or Accounts Department. They can readily provide you with your specific member ID, which is vital for your transfer application. Once you have your member ID, the transfer process becomes straightforward. You'll typically use the online Provident Fund portal, logging in with your Universal Account Number, or UN. When filling out the transfer request form, you'll input your newly acquired MID into the relevant field. This ensures your previous contributions are correctly linked and transferred to your current account, completing the consolidation process efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.